told you, I'll never do anything which is not permitted by the law. Now listen to what the law says about me. Section 167, the court may examine any witness or person in attendance. The court may at any stage of criminal proceedings, any stage, examine any person other than the accused. That person who has been subpoenaed to attend such proceedings or who is in attendance at such proceedings. And the court may recall and re-examine any person, including an accused, who is already examined at the proceedings. And the court shall examine or recall the person concerned if his evidence appears to the court essential to the just decision of the case. So what I was doing, that evidence, according to this witness, you put it to him that in his statement, he never mentions the 2 cell phones, right? And when you wanted to respond, you said, no, we're not interested. And according to me, those 2 cell phones are material to this case. That's why I was using this. So I want this witness to testify about that. He's being re-examined. He's being examined by me in terms of section 166. Sorry, 167. Because I think that evidence of this person concerned, let me tell you this. On this date, the terms of that evidence, they seem proper for me to examine him and to find out, because this evidence is essential to the just decision of the case. So I'm not descending into any case where I am partial. The law entitles me to do that.
May I respond?
No, you don't have to respond. Why do you have to respond? No, you don't have to respond. You've already said me, I descend to the arena. And I'm telling you I don't. I'm doing it in terms of section 167.
It's me who made such a submission. I want to support it. With all fairness, if the court quoted section 186, now I want to correct the court. Taking from the maxim, jus dicere non facere, jus dicere non dare. My duty is to interpret and apply the law. The court, these provisions deal with a situation where the court is empowered to examine, not to examine at the time the defense is using this misinterpretation.
Okay, let's listen to what it says. It's nothing like that. Nothing like that. It says, the court may at any stage of criminal proceedings, any stage, whether you're examining or not, just give this gentleman this, that's by the way. Just give him. Because he says it's when he examines. There's nothing like that. At any stage. Just give it to him.
If maybe the state can be of assistance, there was an allegation made of recent fabrication, so the state is in any case going to take up that statement with the witness.
Okay, fine. So I'm not descending into...
No, but I can see the state and the court are colluding. That's both colluding. The court is always on the side of the state.
Colluding.
No, you are colluding. You are impatient about everything. Look now. That statement
so I'm in the mind of Mr. Baloyi. There is obviously colluded.
I have retracted that statement. Where is the privilege of the court to take the statement to the witness? The statement is not discovered to the court.
I said I'm going to do it.
It's not hand up.
No, it doesn't have to be hand up.
That's irregular.
That's it. Then you take me on a key.
Yes.
And I hope you succeed.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Buthelezi, you said in your statement, you did mention about the 2 cell phones.
Ngesibindi sabo uthe kukhona la oveze khona ngala ma-cellphone kubhalwe khona ngala ma-cellphone amabili.
Yebo.
That is correct?
Can you read that paragraph 6 because we said paragraph 6 or 7 where you mentioned those
njengoba uthe wena ilapha ku-paragraph 6 no-paragraph 7 awufundeke lapho kuleyo paragraph la ukhuluma khona ngala ma-cellphone.
Okay, paragraph 6.
Paragraph 6
Mawuyale egcineni.
towards the end.
Ngikhuluma nge-ammunitions.
No, read the whole paragraph 6.
Sengifunda yonke paragraph 6.
Paragraph 6 iqala kanje. Ithi the ammunition was counted in front of him, and I asked him if he was licensed to possess these ammunitions, and he said no. I further informed him that I will be opening a case of possession of unlicensed ammunition. All our conversations were in Zulu, and he understood. I again warned him in terms of Section 35 of the RSA Constitution that the ammunitions were put inside a forensic bag number PA 5001 806984. His cell phones were put inside the forensic bag number PA 5001 806986.
Izinhlamvu-ke zabala phambi kwakhe futhi-ke ngambuza ukuthi unayo yini imvume i-license yokuba nalezi zinhlamvu and wathi cha kanjani. Ngase ngiyamtshela ukuthi ngizomvulela-ke icala lokuba ney'nhlamvu ezingekho emthethweni. Inkulumo yethu yonke eyikhuluma ngolukamthaneni futhi-ke wakuzwisisa konke sasikhuluma. Ngayeke futhi-ke ngase ngiyamxwayisa futhi ngaphansi kwe-Section 39 yomthetho wase-South Africa ukuthi-ke futhi-ke nazonke lezi ntambo zafakwa ku-forensic bag kuthiwa PA 500 1806984 emakhalekhukhwini bakhe kwafakwa kwe-forensic bag PA 5001806986. Ikhomba lezi zikaplastiki zafakwa kwenye i-forensic bag.
That statement, has it been commissioned?
This statement is commissioning.
Yebo.
That is correct.
Can I have a look at it because they say it is not properly commissioned. I'm just interested in the commissioning. It's a statement with 9 paragraphs. And the last paragraph says, I know and understand the extent of the statement. I have no objection to taking a prescribed oath, and I consider the prescribed oath to be binding on my conscience. And it is signed by the accused, and it is also signed by a gentleman who terms himself Johan. And he terms himself as a commissioner of 8 oaths. And he gives an address on the commissioning. So this court is satisfied that this statement was properly commissioned.
So this is certainly
Can you make this an exhibit? What exhibit will that be? What's the exhibit, sir? Yeah, what is it? What was working? Because of old age. Yeah, right. You mustn't use names, you don't understand. is to collude?
My Lord, I'll use the word in a literal way.
No, just listen to me.
I understand
You
the
mustn't
word.
use the words you don't understand. What is to collude?
Maybe I mean it. I might not understand it. Maybe I mean it. Because now, my Lord, may I respect the court by saying this? But Lord, you just said now. That's it. That's what you're doing, my Lord. With due respect. And I'll stand by that. And I'm still preparing my 317.
No, do it.
No, my Lord, you just mentioned my Lord now. He said this statement was commissioned by Vosmus Mkhani. You say, as the court, you say it was commissioned by another person, Johan.
How am I colluding with him?
No, but he said the one, it was commissioned in Johannesburg. The court says it's another gentleman, Johan.
I
But
never
he
said,
said,
no, you see, I never said it's another gentleman. I
that's
said,
what you said, my Lord.
another gentleman.
Let's just rewind it.
You don't have to remind me.
No, let's just take the records for that. This is what you've said. You said this, you are satisfied that this statement was properly commissioned by the gentleman, by Johan. And the state said it was Vosmus Mkhani in Johannesburg. Please, my Lord, let us be honest to this.
You mustn't use words you don't understand.
No, may I retract it?
You mustn't use words you don't
May
understand.
I retract
No,
it?
I've got the right to sue you. You
My
know
Lord,
that.
my Lord,
Maybe you don't even know that law.
no,
I've got the right to sue you.
my Lord, I have,
Because you are impugning my character and honest. Maybe you don't know that.
my Lord, may I address the court?
Colluding.
May I address the court?
No, you don't understand.
My Lord, may I remind the court about the witness that you didn't treat very well?
You don't have to say anything after this, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, you don't have to say anything. Okay. Yes, Mr. Maloy, what time is it now?
Well, I have one question arising from the court question, just one.
Which one is that?
Can I ask it now?
Yeah, yeah, fine.
Thank you.
Is it that?
Yes,
Instead, maybe we can take the long adjournment and come back at 2.
but I was not going to be long, madam.
But the state is not re-examining the witness.
After lunch.
But the court is
Thank you.
Right now,